Hi, and welcome to this new section of our course. In this section, we will explore the git tag command. We will start with a bit of theory about how and when a tag should be created, and we will see also the basic usage of the git tag command. After that, we will explore the two types of tags that are lightweight tags and the annotated tags. On the third video, we will explore the most important options that are available for the git tag command. And to conclude this section, we will see the do and don'ts of working with a git tag when our repository is connected to a remote. Let's start with our first video. In this video, we will learn when a tag should be created and how it can be created. If we look at most of the git graph that we can find online, like this one, we always see some tags here with the red arrows. Also, on this image that it comes from GitK, we can also see these yellow tags that are visible there. But what are really those tags? A tag is an important milestone in our repository. It's like a bookmark to a special point in time, and it's mostly used to mark releases. So, for example, you can create a tag to mark a public release, or you can also create a tag to mark some kind of internal release, some beta release or release candidate. For example, if we go on GitHub, this is the repository of the famous Ruby on Rails frameworks. We can see that here on this repository, the tags that are hidden under this release link, and then we can click on tags. So the tags on this repository are used to mark the public release, that is like this one, 4.2.10. But also some internal release that are like, for example, 5.2.0 beta 1 and 5.2.0 beta 2. And this way of marking the release with a tag is so common that it's also used from all the dependency manager. So, for example, if you are using on iOS, if you are using CocoaPods, for example, and you specify that you want to install the version 1.0 of some library, then CocoaPods look into the GitHub page of this library and then check out the specific tag that is named version 1.0. Of course, this is valid for the public tags. We can use our private tag in a way that more fits our working style. So, for example, we can use a tag to mark a special commit in our working story, even if that commit has nothing to do with the release flow. It's just because it's important for us. The command to generate a tag is really easy. This is a sample repository. Let's open the history of the repository with our common command git lg. That is an alias for a nice git log. And we are now on this commit on the master branch. Let's suppose that we want to mark this commit with a tag. The command is git tag, and then the name of the tag that we want to create. The name has some rules. You cannot insert like a special character as a name. So I would recommend to just use a normal string plus the dot character. So for example, we can name this tag version 1.0. Hit enter, and now the tag is created. We can see the tag with our git lg. We can see the tag here. And we can also see the tag with the git k. We can see the tag here.